Well, to go back to her life, religion was part of her early life. She read Hebrew, she knew Hebrew words, she knew Hebrew prayers, she knew the Hebrew service. Yom Kippur or Shana, even on Saturday prayers. But here in America, she rarely, if ever, went to synagogue. She may not have ever forgiven God for allowing the Holocaust. There was something in what she attempted to say at some point, and I don't remember the circumstances, which led me to believe that she never forgave God for allowing the Holocaust to take place. And her own personal deaths, her own personal tragedies of her brother and her whole family in Poland being wiped out. Some Jews did forgive God, others never did. I don't think she ever did.